Hi guys, how are you? I'm Dana. Welcome to my channel. And this is something that I wanted to do for a long time, but I just totally forgot that I had to put this up. But yeah, as you can see there, I'm explaining something. This video was actually supposed to be like me talking through it, like live in that sense, but I was really lazy and I didn't want to wait a whole hour or something like that for it to edit and upload. So because it was pretty long, and now it's probably 14 minutes, I think. So as you can see, I'm actually using the Koala Hug by Planting Roses. This is one of the most beautiful kits that I have ever found, and it's just so cute and has such a like pastel-y but also kind of like deep, I don't know, the navy blue is one of my favorite colors, or accent colors to the pastel-y ones. But yeah, so I'm so sorry for the wait. I don't know what happened to me. I have been really focused on my bullet journal, and as you can see there, I'm kind of sticking in the washi. And after that, I haven't planned anything in my iron condon. I kind of have been like way too into my bullet journal, and I know why. I just really love it. There is kind of, sorry, skipping stuff, but there that sticker or that food box was in Cartwright, and a bunch of stuff was in Cartwright. And I know that I understand that machines are sometimes not not perfect, but you know, that's something that happens, and you know, it's not good, but you cannot really change it, you know. Oh yeah, there I'm just showing you my desk. It's so horrible and I want to change it now. And I have been actually saving a lot for that. I want to do my own desk style. I have a I don't know how to say, I'm sorry, like a person that does like furniture and everything, and I'm doing it on my own, like I'm doing my own design because I'm my interior designer, if you didn't know that. So yeah, and I wish it could be like faster, like already, but I know that I have to wait a long time in order to be perfect in the way I want it, and of course there's a lot of money in it, but I don't know, I'm really excited about that. Honestly, I have only like started planning it, like in the sense of doing the diagrams, I don't know if that's the word, but you know, drawing it and the measurement and everything that I wanted. But of course it will be white because I like white, and I would like for it to be kind of not exactly marble on the top, but I just really want that marble texture in it. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but hopefully by the end I will love it, and I'll keep you, you know, I'll keep you on it if I have any advance, like any stuff. So I'm sorry I didn't tell you anything about those post-it notes. I always used to use them when I wasn't really that fan of buying stickers, or I was really like broke in that time, and I just had this sticky notes that I always use because they were the perfect width of the iron condom boxes. So I used one instead of the stackable sidebar, and I don't know if it's not exactly what I wanted, because the hearts that I did weren't perfect. But anyway, so I hope you're liking the music that I'm putting in. It's kind of like a little bit new, and it's kind of like calm but upbeat in the same sense. But yeah, and of course this is a new video, and of course I will have the link to all my social media that you can follow me in, like Instagram, Amino, and yeah, I think that's it. I don't have like, well, I do have other like social media sites, but I don't use them as much as those two. And I don't know if you got that something from my voice, but I have been like so sick. Today is today is Wednesday, and on Monday was one of the coldest days here, and I got a cold. So yeah. Yeah, so I have Amino, Instagram. I do have Netflix, but I don't know why, like, that's just not a social media. I do have kind of like a really nice playlist in Spotify that if you would like to listen to it while you're planning. I used to use it when I was in university to study with it, but if you like that, then I'll link it below the the playlist. And it's kind of like the name of it is Depressingly Lovely, but it's actually really, really nice because it's, I don't know, it's for me. If you want to check it out, go ahead and check it out on the link below. But anyway, and yeah, I'm sorry I didn't tell you this before. I actually changed my way of storing stickers with those two photo albums. I'm showing you there that I didn't really paint my nails. I was too lazy, but I wanted to paint them in that color. And then I'm going to show you all my colors for that exact brand. Yeah, I'm crazy, I'm sorry. But I'm just explaining something, I don't know. But yeah. So, I think I'm gonna just let you go ahead and enjoy this video, even though, yeah, because I'm sick, but even though we're kind of like halfway through it, but yeah, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click that like button if you like this video. Oh, and did you check out my new intro? It's not actually new, because it's kind of the same intro that I have in my other channel, but I just changed like what it says. But I just like changed it to a kaleidoscope stuff, and I really like it. So if you like it too, then go ahead and click the like button if you like this video. Don't forget to share with your friends if you want. I don't know, just share, and don't forget to leave your comments, and if you want me to, I will do a Q&A. If you have any like questions for me, just leave them in the comments below, and well, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye, enjoy. don't forget to click the subscribe and click the notification bell to watch all the videos right when I post them. Bye!